迎嚟到大家姐戀煮廚房。今日挑機整咖喱。
Okay, so excited. What are we making today,
I'm so
Rochelle?
scared because you already done so good.
I'm excited to learn something new.
All right.
I haven't tried many Chinese dishes, so I'm really excited here.
Okay, thank you. So for me, I don't have so much spices. So
Okay.
I just use the instant one.
Uh-huh.
It's just a curry. And I put a bit of sugar in it so to balance the spiciness, what I'm saying is.
Any particular brand for the curry powder?
I'll tell you later.
Okay,
We have
sure.
to charge for that.
Is it your homemade?
Never.
All right.
Okay, let me just say, okay, this the preparation
Yes.
for the chicken wing. And then when we just got it from the fridge, it's so frozen, right?
Yes.
So we will just have to soak it in the brine. Yeah, the brine is the salty water, so to get rid of the blood. All right, and then we have to squeeze out the blood from the vessels, so the chicken will be very, the color will be nicer, and then the taste is actually better. Yeah, and the potato, I'll just cut it in this shape, and then I also kind of soak it in water for about 10 minutes because I don't want to have so much potato starch.
Right.
Because too much potato starch will make it very mushy. I wanted to have a crispy potato. Okay, and the rest of the ingredients is so easy. Very simple. I have garlic, I have ginger, I have shallot, and some onion. Because when we make curry, it's actually we use this stuff, right? And then some scallions, and I have coconut cream. I'm not using coconut milk because milk is the flavor compared to the cream one. The cream is actually better.
Oh, I see.
And it's not unlike Indian curry. We don't really need so much gravy. Yeah, because we normally eat it with rice.
Right.
Too much sauce. We not a Chinese way.
Sure.
So we'll add a little bit of the coconut cream, and that's it. Yeah, some starch, salt, soya sauce.
Right.
Simple.
So
much
this is
simpler.
just cornstarch or
Just
potato
cornstarch.
Cornstarch.
Yeah, just in case I need to thicken the sauce.
Right.
開始我要 start now.
Yes.
Yeah, 今日我哋挑機啊，所以我代表香港隊出賽嘅。咁啊，俾少少油啦，a bit of a tablespoon of oil. Okay, we're going to fry the potato. We use a wok.
Yeah.
Wok chan, right?
True.
Yeah, and you use pan.
We mostly use that.
Yeah, that is the cultural differences.
Yes.
Yeah.
We do have something called a kadai actually,
Oh, okay.
which is like a
Would you like to
deeper-
explain to the viewers what is
It's
it?
just a deeper pot, just like the wok, but we have it iron pot kind of thing.
Oh, iron pot.
Yes, it's called kadai. I do have that.
So you need an Iron Man.
I already have that.
Your Iron Man also cook?
Very well. In fact, when I got married, he was the one who taught me to cook.
Oh, wow.
27 years ago, yes.
So Iron Man cooking with the iron pot too.
All right, so we're just adding the potato.
Yes. Okay. Because why I don't fry the chicken first? Because I don't need to wash the pan.
Right.
Yeah, because it's still, not being soiled or anything yet. Potato is done.
Good.
We'll put it aside first. Lazy way. Okay, it's okay. Acrobat.
Yes.
Let's see. Okay, and then it's the time for our scallion and the shallots and the garlic. Okay. A little bit of oil.
Okay.
And then ginger first. We'll fry the ginger. But be careful, you will get burned very easily because this is the pre-mixed one, unlike those spices that you showed us just now. This is the paste. So when I buy, because there are a lot of brands, and actually I need to try it first to see whether how salty it is, or I need extra, whatever, okay? So now you can
The chicken goes in.
yeah,
It smells so good.
give it a stir. I want to combine the onion, garlic together with the chicken wing. Actually, this curry paste is not that salty. I need to add a bit of the sauce in it later. Now is the a little bit of sauce.
Is it a spicy sauce?
Yeah, it's a similar.
Oh, but like a pink sauce?
Yeah, like the pink sauce. Okay, and then a bit of water. Okay. Let it simmer for a while. Okay.
I think the smoke.
Yeah. I actually I'm so much scared used to it. We all already know.
This is behind the scene.
嗱，我真係冇嘢喎。
係啊，嗰個風吹完我哋呢邊。
啊，係啊，係啊，係啊，係。係咪個 camera rolling 啊？我冇嘢啊，我慣咗啦。我會喺度咧，how to say I control my inhale and exhale.
Yes, actually it's all up to bread.
Oh. Okay. 冚一冚佢 cover with the lid. Let it simmer for a while. So I think the almost done, the chicken wing. I'm not using a very high heat because I want it to be really, really tender. Now I can add in the potato. Wow. Give it a stir. And then a little bit of soy sauce to add the color. Okay. Stir. Lastly, yes, coconut milk.
Me?
Yes. Just pour it over. Yes. Pour it all over. Okay, thank you. You don't want to wait, huh?
Yes, and it's lovely. Oh, the smell change. The aroma is already there now.
It's my secret weapon with coconut milk, coconut cream. Yeah. If you really want a lot, much sauce, then you can use coconut milk. Yeah, a little bit of scallion. To give it the fragrance. We will leave some for later use to garnish. Yeah. Because I already added the coconut cream, that's why I will remain in a low heat. Yeah, because I don't really want the coconut cream to, I want to keep the fragrance of the coconut cream. Okay, I'll just cover it with the lid. Cover with the lid. Okay, and let it simmer for another 5 more minutes.
開飯啦！
你啦，哇就係咁啦，我哋呢個睇下成唔成功啦。